Yeah, hey guys, good morning. Can you please confirm the chat? Am I audible to you and your screen or not? Yeah. First of all, I'm very sorry. Every day you are waiting outside for 10 to 15 minutes. For that, I'm sorry. So this class is going on like that. I can't skip the topic. I started this AI projects. So they are doing very beautiful. You have seen that Benjamin Franklin, that image, how to read and that. Sorry for that. So Saturday we have completed topics, right? We completed basic Python syntax, Like what we completed is, suppose the topic one is data types topic and typecasting, and second topic is equal to eval topic and input topic, and 3 questions on this. And third topic is try and exception, and fourth topic is if and else, and fifth topic is we are moving to functions with arguments, without arguments. Yeah. So presentation sessions. So I need 5 members. So who will come? Raise your hands. Otherwise, I will make this as a beautiful opportunity. You can learn and you can teach. Then you will get more. So this time I will take the offline and next time I will take the online. Okay. Tell me who will tell. Data types and typecasting. Karnula Bhai చెప్తాడు. What is your name? Srikanth will explain. And eval and all these things is, I will pick the, will pick. Deepak will say. Okay. Next, try and exception. I'll pick the girl now. Priyanka will say. Priyanka, you only Priyanka, right? Priyanka is the try and exception. And if else, so who will say if else? Raise your head. What is your name? You only. You are doing like this. Tell me. Tavya will say. And function with arguments, Kumar will say. Kumar. Okay. Simple. And next topics will come. Again, I will pick some more members. Okay. Next, Bhimar Mumbai will say. Okay. So here, what you need in Jupyter Notebook, you need to write about the information about the what are the data types and what are the typecasting. Suppose you need to write the markdown information like a document. You need to, and for some examples also. Make sure that everyone should understand your examples. Similar way, everyone. Okay, try to encourage your friends. Okay, and this is the best opportunity. Those are especially from college students and those who are weak, those who are not strong in talking English. So use this as opportunity. And those who are joined very late, these are kind of a recap session, especially for Renuka. Okay. And our guy is there, businessman. That is, those who are joined late, especially for them, it is a recap session. So now those who are joined late, now that is in your hands. Srikant, Deepak, Priyanka, Shravya and Kumar. Now this is your responsibility to make your friends to understand the concepts. And this will keep on will go. This will keep on will go. Next for loop concepts will come, while concepts will come, strings will come, tomorrow statistics will come, machine learning will come, deep learning will come, SQL will come. So everyone at one point of time, everyone should explain the presentations. So you should be competitive, sir. I want to give that kind of I want to see. Okay, you can ask your senior batches, they will come voluntarily. Okay, you will get enjoy this. But always remember, if you explain to others, then only you will get more. Remember that. Because now you will take care of each and every error also. Each and every error you will take care of. You will not do name error. You will not do syntax error. These all errors you will remove that. So Saturday is the recap session, entire Python. Okay, that is the one thing. And it is also your skill session. Saturday, day after tomorrow. Okay, it is not much time. And this time we are taking from offline ma, and next time next presentation from online. Okay, next presentations from the online people. Nikita, Nagarani, Utkarsh, Priyanka, Mega, you people need to provide next time. So this time, this is for offline. So make this happen to successful ma. Just help to your friends, encourage your friends from the WhatsApp groups after the presentations. Okay, it is like a family. So the main goal is you need to be no fear in front of the interviewer one day. Okay, and those who are not done in the college days, this is the opportunity, because your college is over. Next is what? You need to do the job, and your manager will not happy if you are not able to say. Okay, presentation skills are important. Mind it that. Yeah. Let's open Jupyter Notebook. So today we have done the 30-day session of AI projects. A separate name we have provided. So we read the image of Benjamin Franklin. And we read how one is local, another one is Google Colab, another one is Pillow, another one is same but in different way. 6-7 times we can open the images. So that is we learn. And these people will can't in the outside experience, people also doesn't know how many ways they can open the images and all these things. And it's taken complete 1 hour session, these lines of course, because they need to catch up. So that kind of things. So best projects will come, good projects will come. Only the thing is you need to be sure the, first of all, don't skip the classes at any cost. Don't skip the classes at any cost. Please note down the concepts. Everyone noted the concepts right here. Again, I'm repeating. Srikant, data types and typecast. Deepak, eval and input. Priyanka, try and exception. Shravya, if and else. Kumar, arguments. Okay. Kumar is the function with arguments and without argument. These are the topics. Yeah, Santosh. Next time I will name you. Santosh is coming voluntarily. Great. Yeah. So we complete arguments, without arguments, and default arguments. 3 concepts we completed. So I will give one question and quickly you solve in the 3 ways. Just recap one thing. I will give one question, quickly solve in the 3 caps. Write a program of the user to find area of circle. Area of circle. And yesterday I wantedly posted that 6th question. Reverse the number. Online people are very energetic and they talk more than offline people. I have not seen that much discussion from your side. Good. Okay, you need to participate in the discussion. Express your views. Okay, it is a healthy thing. Express your views, ask any doubts in the group. And I'm not happy about this also. I uploaded that first assignment. Should I, are you expecting these 34 members? Yamini, Abdul, Anurag, Arush, Manohar, Bhairavi, Ganesh, Gaurav, Jayant, K. Yadav, Lokesh Reddy, Mahender, Naveen, Fauzia, Chalapati, Naveen, Venkat, Renuka, Pradeep, Prem, Piram, Pragati, Prashant Kumar, Pratik, Ramesh, Ravi, Muhammad, Shaikh Hamza, Shailesh Tripathi, Veeranjanailu, and Venkata Narasimha Reddy. First of all, have you gone through this yesterday notification this? But no comments are in the down. I mentioned that I need each and every person explanation under the comment section. So you don't have accountability? You don't want to explain that? This is the problem, sir. I have family, I need time. I join late, I need time. Okay. How many questions are there in assignment 1? How much time it will take? So these 34 members are thinking that though already how many members we have classes? Approximately 100 members are there in the class. Okay. 34 minus 100 means 66. So 66 members are fools. Those who are uploaded. Are you thinking that? I'm asking 34 members. Are you thinking you are those who are submitted 66 members are fools? What indication you are providing to 66 members? You also don't upload, nothing will happen. And your no comments in the sections also, no accountability also. This will track. This will definitely track. And 5 questions are there. 1 hour time is enough. 1 hour time. You can go and labs and you can sit and you can complete in 1 hour. And that 1 hour also you are not spending before the class. How many members ask so many questions to me? Sir, I am the fresher. Sir, I am the experienced. Sir, I am the business magnate. Sir, I want to experience. I want to convert. Sir, my background is different. Sir, I am gap. What you are doing after getting into the class? Are you questioning yourself? If you are not doing 5 questions, who will help you, ma? Tell me, who will help you? Even God also will not help. Okay, forget about me, human being. The stories are there. You can read the stories. Okay. There is a God will send the boat and God will send the airplane and everything. And he will still say that God will help me, God will help me. Finally, he will mar jayega. Okay. If you are not do the assignments, if you are not do the practice, you will get syntax errors, you will get the name error, every error you will get. Still I am seeing the name error. Still I am seeing the name error. Still I am seeing the name error. And you are not identifying. This is not at all good. I can't hit you. I can't scold you. I can shout you on you. Okay. I can shout on you, but I will not scold you. I will not hit you. And I will not allow you in the company's interview also. I will not share your resume to my companies also. If you behave like this. And this is the last warning. If you are not able to do the assignment, inform me before. This is the problem, sir. I am not able to do. I have a small kid is there to take care of. I will slowly I will do. I have been employee 15 years. So I have to do the project work. Give me some time. Explain that. Why you are not able to do. Or explain, write this also at least. Sir, don't ask me anything. My father is paying money. I am enjoying Hyderabad. Don't ask me anything to. Explain that also. I will not ask you anything. At least write that also. Statement. Okay. At least write that statement. Why you are not able to do, just write the statement. Sir, I have a boyfriend or girlfriend. I need to roam the entire city. So I will not ask you. But accountability is important. After you married, you need to accountable to your life partner, no? Whatever you want to do means that is not happen. You need to accountable to your parents, no? Accountability is important. And this is the last chance. This is the last chance. I need responses of all these 34 members. Why you are not able to done the assignment? And I already given the 2 more assignments. One is the try and exception, and another one is the if and else. Okay. Try to finish that. If you want more deadlines, request me. I will change the deadline. Okay. Sir, extend 2 days more. Extend 3 days more. I am with you, ma. 100% I am with you only. Until unless you show the enthusiasm, you show the hunger. That is starting day I told you. Now also I am telling you. Okay. Even though we'll correct together also. You can sit here. I will bring this laptop. I will also sit here. Okay. If you have a problem, we'll discuss separately. But only the thing is, accountability is important. Whatever I'm telling you, you need to do that 4 months. Otherwise, don't come to the class. This is for your future only. Okay. This is for your future only. Yeah. That's all, ma. See, Nikita saying, please extend the deadlines. Yeah. Solve basic method. This is already in one assignment question. Solving the basic method. Solving the basic method. And solving the functions without arguments. Without arguments. And solving the with arguments. And solve with the default arguments. Basic methods without arguments and with arguments methods. Now do it quickly. I'll give 5 minutes time. Okay, Nikita. Don't. So Srishi already done. Eval input, round off, radius into radius, 22/7. When that math.py ma. Srishi. Import math.py is nothing but pi r square. Right. Area of circle pi r square. That is the formula. Pi into radius into radius. Radius. That is the formula. Pi r square. Formula. Pi r square. Pi you can taken from math.py. Math.py. Pi you can taken from import math. Import math. Math.py. Math.py. Import math. Math.py. Is save into one variable. Save into one variable. Yeah. That's it. Pi r square. Math.pi r square. I will write the normal code and you can implement the basic function first. Okay. So import math and pi value. Okay. Pi value equal to, don't give pi. Pi you give because already pi is there. Math.pi. So if you want pii, that is called 3.149. That's the value. Okay. Radius r equal to eval of input of enter the radius and radius. Area equal to pi into r you can write. Okay. that is equal to area, and the radius is 20. The answer is equal to 1256. So many digits are coming. What you will do, ma? Round off, bracket, comma, 20. 2 digits are enough. Some people can do like this. Area 1 I am giving. Area 2 also I am giving. PII into R. Like this also you can provide. This is nothing but R. Nothing but what? R square star. Double star is nothing but you are multiplying R how many times? 2 times. R square. So area 2, 20. That is same answer. That is your wish. How you want to do? How you want to do that is your wish. So print the area of circle is area 1. Area of circle is area 1 and 20. That is the answer. Now using function. Very simple, right? Function writing. So again look at the board. Look at the board. Method 1 is the normal function. Method 1. Without arguments, simply write def, then function name, area of circle, bracket, colon, enter. Bracket, colon, enter. And import packages always at the top. Import always at the top. So import math. Just simply copy paste here. Get the indentation, correct indentation. Correct, Morally? Have you written function? Then you need to provide, just call the function. If you run this, you will not get any output unless you call the function. So what is the function name? Area of circle. Now I am calling the function. It will go to this level. It will ask that what is the pi value, then what is the radius, and the answer is area of circle is equal to 1256.64. Method 1, without arguments. How many arguments are there here? Pi is there, R is there. 2 arguments are there. But pi you are getting from where? Math package. So let's take the one argument R. One argument R. Method 2. Method 2. With arguments. With argument. So I want to provide R here. So I'm removing from here. Simple. I'm provided R there. I remove the inside. That is. Now, how many parameters you are passing? One parameter. How many values you need to pass? One value. That is 20. That is 20. How to pass the values we have seen, right? 3 ways we have seen how to pass the value. Direct pass from the third party variable. This is what direct pass. Direct pass. Direct pass the value. Just run it, you will get the answer. How many have done this? Raise your hands. Very good. Now let's do the from the keyboard pass. With arguments, direct pass. Let's do with keyboard pass. Let's do with keyboard pass. Keyboard pass. So keyboard pass means you need to provide the R value out of the function before call the function. Correct? What is the keyboard pass means? You need to provide argument value before call the function, not after the call function. Before call the function anywhere. You can provide here also. You can provide here also. No issue. But before call the function. So this is a call the function, right? So I'm providing here, suppose R equal to eval of input of enter radius. So this R we will pass here. This R we will pass here, and that is nothing but which pass ma? Keyboard pass. Some people you can write from here to here also, not an issue, because this is before function call. Before function call, remember that. So just run this. What is the first line it will run? This is the first line. This is the step 1. And what is the step 2 now? Tell me, what is the step 1, correct? What is the step 2? Define function is the step 2. Not call the function. Define function. What is step 3? Getting the R value, not pi value. Getting the, this is the entire thing, define the function, right? Enter box is the define function. What is the first step? Import math. What is the second step? Define function is the second step. What is the third step? Getting the R value. What is the fourth step? What is the fourth step? Call the function. Call the function. When you call immediately, the fifth step is inside the function. That's why I'm getting the gap. Inside the function, getting the pi value. And step 6 is inside the function, finding the area 1 value. And step 7th is inside the function, print the value. So these are the steps. Samjhe? Everyone? First step is import math. Second step is define function. Third step is getting R value. Fourth step is calling the function. When you call, immediately it will go to the define function. Get the pi first. Calculate the area second. Third one is the print. We are good. 20, we are getting the answer. 20, we are getting the answer. Now, this is called keyboard pass from the third party. Thus, instead of now R, now the another method is, yesterday we have seen, instead of providing R here, directly you can copy this and you can paste here. Correct? You can remove this. It is also will works. Because R only that, right? We are directly replacing that. We are directly replacing it. Then again 20, it will works. Again 20, it will work. Now 2 is done. Now default parameters. Now let's come to the default parameter. How you implemented default now? What is the default that you provided? R equal to only directly, okay. Method 3. Default parameter. Default arguments. Here R equal to 20 I am keeping. R equal to how much I am keeping? 20. When I provided R equal 20 means this is nothing but which parameter? Default. So you no need to provide the value here. 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 Suppose if you want to make pi as a variable, so I am writing PII. What I am writing? PII comma. I am removing this. Now how can I pass PII? How can I need to pass the PII value or not? I need to pass the PII value. Suppose you are passing 3.14. What you are passing? 3.14. Because in these two arguments, what is the non-default parameter? PII. What is the default one? R equal 20. So now you don't need to provide R equal 20. You can directly provide the pi value. Now here 3.14 is nothing but how much? Pi. Now what happened? Instead of providing 3.14, you can directly provide math.pi also. Math.pi also. You can provide simple. Because math.pi only 3.14, right? How to pass the value? Okay, you need to call the function. Then what is the next question? How to pass the value? Direct method. Direct you want to pass the value like 3.14? Or you want to pass directly like math.pi? That is both are your wish. Both is your wish, that is. Or you want to save into here variable? Pi value equal to math.py you want to save here. And again you pass here PII. Anything is works. Anything is works. So we are good, right? Any doubts in this? With arguments, without argument, default arguments, no doubt. Still anyone is pending in the doubts section? Can you please confirm the chat? Very good. Now let's see the new concept. Let's see the new concept. I'm taking this one, method 1. You will be perfect in functions. You can play with function like a kickbox. Okay. Like a football. Outside people will think like that functions are very hard. But if you learn like this, functions are very easy. Only little is practice is required. Like in and out. Where you are getting the error. You need to resolve the error. Okay. Simple. But always make habituate to create the functions more. Create the functions. Let's see. So what is it? It is calculating area 1. It's calculating area 1. It's what is the main motto of this question, ma? It's calculating the area 1. Now this area 1 you want to print here. How much is the value? What is the what will come? Area 1 is equal to 1256.64 is coming because it is already taken from this value. The starting you have done basic method. See here. This one. This one is taking. Now come to here. Now let's do here. Look at the board, ma. I am replacing a new variable called area 11. What I am replacing? New variable as what? Area 11. Area 11. Function is running. 20 I am giving, getting the answer. Now I want to print area 11. This time I will get the error. We got the value from function. But if you want to take the output of the function, you are not able to take the output. Okay. We are generating one output. What is the output name? Area 11. From where? From the function. Now you want to use that output from area 11 outside the function. But it is not getting the output. Okay. You done your project by helping of me. Now you want to use my knowledge, but I have not provided the knowledge to you, so you are not able to implement. Understand the question? You done your project by helping of me. You got the calculation of area by using function. Now you want to use the area value outside the function, but you are not getting the output because I did not provide it to you. Function is not provided you that value. That's why you are getting what? Error. Why you are getting error? Function is calculating the area but not providing the area value. Function is calculating area value but not providing that value to you. So when you want to use outside the function, when you want use that value outside the function, you will get error. Simple. Understood the story? Why you get the error? Because function is not provided the value to you. Function is not providing, the term, famous term is called function is not returning the value to you. Function is not returning the value to you. So if somebody is not returning to you, how can you use their property? How can you use their property? So you are just printing this. You are just what you are doing? Printing. That's it. You are just printing that, but you are not returning that. So that's why next concept is, so try should be inside, ma. Inside. You need to write here. Try should be here. Okay. Try should be here. And here should be except. Except, exception as E inside the function. Print of E. Okay. Let's come to the concept. So why you are getting error? Tell me. Function is not returning the value. Inside function, you are just printing the value. See the code? What you are doing? Just printing the value. So that's why next concept is called return concept. Put side heading return. The concept is called return concept. Return the values. Return the values. Yeah. Return the values. To avoid the confusion, I'm just removing the try and exception, and later again we'll implement the try and exception. So while you are creating function, you need to write a return here. RETURN. Return in which color, ma? Green color. So it is a keyword, not capital R. It is a small r. Return. Which value you want to return? Pi or R or area. Which one you want to return? Okay, let's return one value. Let's return one value. That is equal to area 11. Area 11. You need to write like this. Okay. If you want to return, how can you write like this? Return area 11. Just run this now. Just run this. While you are calling the function, now you are calling the function. What is this job will do? What is the job it will do? What is the job it will do? It will calculate the pi. It will asking the r. It calculate the area. It will print the value. It will return the area. Okay. While it is returning, you need one carry bag. Okay. They are going to DMart. You want to take mangoes. How can you take the mangoes? Like in hands? No, right? You have one bag. So how many variables it is returning? That many bags you need to keep. That many bags you need to keep. Now, as of now, how many variables it is returning? one variable. So you need to save into that into one more variable. Save into one more variable. What is the variable? You can name it anything. You can name it Omkar also. What is this meaning? Area of circle is returning one value. That is called area 11. I am storing in a variable called Omkar. I am storing in a variable called Omkar. That you already know, right? Value 1 is equal to 20. 10 meaning, what is the meaning of this? 10 is storing in the value 1. So what is the meaning of this? Area of circle is a function. It is returning one value, and that value you are storing in called Omkar. So don't write the Omkar, just write the A. So whatever the name it is there, use that name. No problem, that is okay. Write the area. Now run this 20. Now print the area. Now the value is coming. Now the value is coming. Understand the return statement? Very simple. Just return the value. After return the value, while you are calling the function, give the one variable. Why one variable? Tell me why one variable? How many are returning? One value are returning. So how many variables is required? One value. Suppose you are returning pi also. Suppose you are returning PII. Now how many values you are returning? So how many bags you need to keep? 2 bags. So area comma pi. Area comma pi. So this area function is returning two values. Area 11 will save into the variable area. PII values will save into PI. Capital PI I am giving. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? I'm just writing area of circle. Area of circle will return two values, that is area 11 comma PII. So area 11 will store in a variable area. Okay. PII value will store in a variable PI. PI. Now just run this. 20 cannot unpack the float object. What is the float object here? Okay, I didn't run this, no. Now area is there now. PI also there. So if you keep all together, the code should be like this. The normal defining function, it is calling the return and calling the function, and you are printing the value. Print of area new variable, print of pi is the value 20, and this is the answer. Yeah, any doubts in this? Everyone understood? Good. Can you please confirm the chat? Yeah, note down this. Yeah, tell me. Come here. Just run together, you will not get any error now. Not defined. Area of circle not defined. Area of circle. Area of circle. Spelling mistake, huh? Arey, you are experienced guy. How can you do this? Done it. Because that only the mistake is, what is the star mark meaning? Overall, then you need to close that first, right? And then where is the closed? First you need to close with all the double stars. So go to kernel, restart, clear output, red button click karo. Wait for 10 seconds. Let's it will the black symbol should be white color. Now everything will be empty. Now run that, it will come. हो जाएगा. Run it. Again, run it. Enter the number and run it. Don't do the mistake again. No. What your function name? What you are calling? What your baby name? Chinnu or Bujji, right? How can you call him? If you call him Anil, he will not come because your baby name is Chinnu. What is the name? You need to blow that name only. Function name. Because that is the name only you need to call, right? How can I call you? What is your name? Priyanka. If I call Anil, he will not listen, no? That's all. You need to enter the value. Getting the number. Getting the radius value from the int of float भी लिख सकते हैं. That's why eval. इसकी जगह उस भी लिख सकते हैं ना int or float. Everyone is good? Getting the values now? Getting the values? Let's do one more question then. Let's do one more question. Same question will take. Same question. Ask the user enter 3 numbers and find the average. Find the average and return the average. Return the average value. Return the average value. Make sure that you can return many number of values, ma. Any number of values you can return, but how many values you want to return? That many variables you need to provide. Okay. How many values you want to return? Okay, you do that. Find the sum. Find the sum and average. Return the average and sum both. And sum both. Return average and sum both. Both values you need to return. Now do it fast. I need 20 to 25 answers. What you need to do? You need to get the 3 numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Summation means number 1 plus number 2 plus number 3. Average means summation by 3. This you know. Okay. But my main motto is whether you are returning the values or not. Whether you are returning the values or not. Instead of print, now you need to return the values. Instead of print, return the values. Done. Where are the answer in chat? Easy question. Where are the answer? Done. Raise your hands. How many are done? Where the answer is in chat? Uma Maheshwari, Abhishek, what happened? Manohar, Prashant, Bhairavi, Padmaja, Puneet, what happened? Hamza, Pravalika, and Mega, what happened? Nagarani, Naveen, Nikita. Where are the answers in the chat? Srishti. Not printing is not enough, ma. You need to return the values. Why you are printing, Utkarsh? I don't want to print the values. I want to return the values, no? Return the values. Okay, let's do this. First of all, take the three numbers. Definition, sum average, I am taking 1 comma number 2 comma number 3 and print of, suppose sum equal to n1 plus n2 plus n3, average equal to sum divided by 3 and print sum, this is the problem, and print average comma average. So completely I am providing the with argument section, okay? Sum average 20 comma 30 comma 40. Everyone done this till now? Everyone? No doubts. Now what do you want to return? How many values you return, ma? So RETURN, one is SUMM you need to return, and another one is average you need to return, AVG, bracket close. How many values is returning? 2 values. So how many variables is required? 2 variables equal to, that's the problem. Give me 1 minute. I will just close and open the session. Two variables. One is called addition value. One is called average value. Average value. Now sum of average, this function is returning 2 values. Is returning 2 values. Is returning two values. One value is what? Sum, and another one is AVG. So sum we are storing in, sum we are saving in a variable, which variable? Addition. And AVG we are storing, we are saving in a variable, which variable? Average. That's it. Print of addition, comma, average. 90, 30. 90, 30. Addition is, comma, and average. I'm writing a single line, okay? Print statement you can write anywhere. Colon, comma, like this. Okay? Tell me, any difficulties in this? How many are feeling the difficulty in this to write this? How many are feeling? Raise your hands. You can write in front of me. You can come and you can sit, you can write here. If you are getting any error, come to here. I will resolve. Yeah, come. Can you please confirm the chat? You're doing good? It is sum is which color? Red color means what? Strings. So you need to call which color? Black color. See here what I called? Addition. Okay, always remember red color is nothing but string. Whatever you written in red color, that only will print. Remove that. Now it will come. That's it. Okay. Very good, ma. Great. Now let's do one more question. Returning is easy, right? So which concept is easy? With arguments or without argument? Default arguments or returning? Which is easy? All are easy. Acha. Where you call the function? You define the function. Where you call? You have a pet. How can the pet will come? If you call the pet, then only it will come. Okay, defining function will not return anything. It's a mantra every day. Okay. Every day we'll do 5 to 6 times namaz, right? Like that we need to do like this. Defining function will not return anything until unless call the function. Until unless call the function. You have a friend is there, but he will not do anything until unless you ask the help him, no? So call the function. So where you are calling here? This is a calling the function, sum average. You have to call the function. And this is the Kumar responsibility on Saturday to make others to understand. If anyone new one is there, new people are there. Okay, next. Yeah. So we are about to last problem in the return. So I'm not going that much deep in return. What we will do is find the biggest number of 3 numbers. Take 3 numbers and find the biggest number and return that number. And return that number. Find the biggest number of 3 numbers. So you need to do one condition is number 1 greater than number 2 and number 1 greater than number 3 is the one condition. Another condition is number 2 greater than number 3. This is the logic. In the if statement, you need to do this. In elif statement, you need to do this. Elif. If else, if both are false, what is the biggest number? Num3 is the biggest number. num3 is the biggest. Here what is the biggest? Num2 is the biggest. Here what is the biggest? Num1 is the biggest. This is the first condition to check. Num1 is biggest. If this condition is false, it will check this condition. Num2 is biggest. If both are false, which is biggest? Num3. First implement the normal code, then write the function, then return it. First write the normal code. First write the normal code and then create the function. Create the function. Then create the function and then return the value. Then return the value. Write the normal code, create the function and return the value. Spend the time in the labs, ma. Go to the lab, spend the time 1 hour, 2 hours. Those who are lack of practice, everyone is required practice, ma. But those who are still facing the errors, okay. I've seen something is some lack of practice. So it is request you to go to the lab, spend the time every day 1 or 2 hours. Otherwise, this concept will be increased when the time goes. Finally, you lose the confidence. Finally, you will feel that this course is not belongs to me. If that is the attitude, nothing is belongs to you. Not only this course. Nothing is belongs to you until unless if you show the same attitude in your life. Seriousness is important. This is the first condition. I only given everything. Definition greater and take three values num1, num2, num3. And first one is what? If n1 greater than n2 and n1 greater than n3. If both are true, then automatically who will greater, ma? Print n1 is greater. N1 is greater. Who is greater? N1 is greater. Next, elif. Elif, next condition is what? N2 greater than N3. Because this condition is false means N1 is out of the box. No need to verify N1, no? If this condition is false means N1 is out of the tournament. Out of the tournament. So next N2 is compared with N3. If this is true, print of N2 is greater. Otherwise, who will greater, ma? Print N3 is greater. N3 is greater. N3 is greater. I need return statement, not print statements. Our concept is getting the returning, no? And if I call the function greater 20, 210, N2 is greater. Who is N2 here? You need to provide like this. dot format of n2 dot format of n1 dot format of n3. 200 is greater. This is a code. This is a code. Only the thing is you need to return the values. You need to return the values. How to return the value? Whenever this condition is satisfied, this condition should give which value, ma? N1. This condition will give which value? N2. This condition will give which value? N3. Then how can you do? I have given the hint. This condition satisfied, this condition should return which value? N1. This condition satisfied, this condition should return which value? Same way, this is also N3. Now, where you will write return? Where you will write in return? Give that. Try it. Where you will write return? Here you want to write return? You want to write return here? So this will return when it will return? Which value will return it is? Only else value. So it will return what? N3. So you need to return here. Which value it return? Wherever it satisfies, that value will return. No? So how many returns now? 3 returns. How many returns? Wherever the condition satisfies, that will return. Wherever condition satisfies, that will return. Return N2 and return N1. It is not returning 3 values. It is returning only 1 value, but whenever condition satisfies. Understood? It is returning only 1 value. It is returning only 1 value. It is returning only 1 value whenever condition satisfies. Whenever condition satisfies. So now instead of greater, now what we will do? Greater equal to greater of 20 comma 200 comma 10. What should be the greater value now? What should be the greater value? 200 is the greater value. 200 is the greater. This value is returning only 1 value based on the condition. Based on the condition. Based on the condition. It is only print statement, Mona. It is only print statement. And the value used for num1, num2, num3 format. Compare. Why you are returning 3? Nikita, I didn't get this code. Why this many elifs? I already given the code to you, right? Why you are so much complicated, Nikita? Why you complicated so much? What are the values you are providing? You are saying this is working. Let's see. But you are storing in one variable, right? You are storing in one variable. Now this is also good method. You see how she has written. Who is this? Srishti. Srishti is taking, instead of returning here, she is saving the variable into some variable A. She knows that this will return which variable? Number one value. Number one value is storing in A. And this will not run, right? When the condition is satisfied, this below condition will not run. So automatically returning that number one value. If this condition is fails, this condition will satisfy, and she's saving into A again. Again, which value will return? Number 2. So like that, she is avoiding the return 3 times, but she using a one more variable A. One more variable A. Understood? This is also one logic. This is also one logic. Great, ma. Good. Good. That is good. Everyone understood this code? No doubts? It is simple, straightforward. If this condition satisfied, what is the output? N1. So take the N1. If this condition satisfied, what is the output? N2. Take the N2. If this condition satisfied, what is the output? N3. Take the N3. Take the N3. There are no restrictions how many write the return statement, but logic should be same. Logic should be same. Now let's see this. The same code we can write this way. I don't want this. Simply we can write like this also. N1 plus N2 plus N3, comma, N1 plus N2 plus N3 divided by 3. Directly also you can return. Direct answers also you can return without saving the variable. What is the difference between above and this? We are just saving the variable. We are just saving the output in the variable and we are using that variable, right? Understood the difference? N1, N2, N3, here what you are returning? SUMM. But SUMM is what? N1, N2, N3, direct only we are writing directly. That also you can do. Directly also you can get the values written. No print statement, nothing, directly return it. Function return, function return, function return. That also you can do. Are you getting this code? We are returning what here? AVG. What is AVG? Sum by 3. What is sum? N1 plus N2 plus N3. That only directly we are writing N1 plus N2 plus 3 by 3. This is nothing but what? Average value. This is nothing but what? Summation value. Let's do this. Okay, look at this. Look at this now. Definition at A comma B, return of A plus B. It works or fail? Tell me. Works or fail? It works, that's all. What you do generally, you will create one variable sum A plus B and you will write here sum, right? But we are writing what directly now? A plus B only we are writing directly and we are avoiding this. Now addition, now value equal to add of 20 comma 30 and print val equal to 50. Print val equal to 50. Do for multiplication and subtraction and division like 4 functions. Create 4 functions like this. Create 4 functions like this. Create 4 functions. Create 4 functions. Create one more function, multiplication. Create one more function, subtraction. Create one more function, division. Directly return it. Directly return it. Val add, val sub, val mul, val div. Do this like this. Return all the values. Print it. Print val add, print val sub, and print val mul, and print val div. 4 values. Sub of 20 comma 30, mul of 20. Instead of saving into another variable, instead of printing, we are directly returning the values. We are directly returning the values. Now just this will come to here, multiplication. This is nothing but mul function. It is nothing but a into b. Next, subtract function. Next, subtract function. Same copy. And that what you need to do? Subtraction a minus b. And next, division. That is nothing but a by b. That's all. No need to save into variables. No need to check the output. If you are confident, you can write like this also, straightforward. Def a comma b, return of a plus b. Before, generally what we'll do, we are saving and we are providing that value. Now we are not saving, we are directly returning the output directly. The multiplication, subtraction, and division. And the values are 50, one is 50, one is minus 10, one is 600, another one is 0.666. Do the round off. Or you can do round off here also. ROUND, round off, comma 2. Calculation, clear the calculation of assignment to 9 question. Will do. Everyone understood this method? Easy, same only. That is, we are not doing anything new. Instead of saving to variable, we are directly return the values. That means 2 lines we are removing. One line is saving, one line is printing. One line is saving, one line is printing. Because sometimes saving is, you need to reduce the lines. Sometimes printing is not in your issue. Your manager will not accept that. Don't print the values, he will say. He will ask only directly return the values. Everyone good at this? Can you please confirm the chart? Everyone good at this? Yeah. Now, if I do like this, look at the screen. If I do like this, definition, aggregation function, a comma b, I would directly return a plus b I want to return, a minus b I want to return, a into b I want to return, a divided by b also I want to return. How many values you are returning now? 4 values. Okay, 4 values you are returning. How many variables you need to keep now? 4 variables. One is nothing but add, one is nothing but subtraction, one is division, is equal to return of 2 numbers 20 comma 30. Sorry, aggregation, right? Function called aggregation. Now print of this. One is add value, one is subtraction value, one is multiplication value, one is division value. Same simple code. We are doing in a single line. All the aggregations. A plus B, A minus B, A into B, A divided B. Like any number of outputs you can return. Any number of outputs. Any number of outputs you can return. But how many outputs you are returning? That you need to store that many variables. Easy. Same answer. Above code, below code is same as it is. As it is. No issues in that. Well written. Try to practice after the class. Okay. Above code, below code is same. Don't come to the class without practicing, ma. Okay. Because that will you will trouble and you will trouble me also. Because I'm seeing silly mistakes, right? I can easily understand that. You are coming direct to the class. So that's all. You are not practicing at all. Then how can you know that? Without calling the function, how can you get the output? We are doing the third day functions or second day. Third day. Without calling function, we'll get the output. Huh? And you're asking me that question means how can I feel that? How can I feel that? That means you're not practicing. I can't shout at the time. I can't scold at the time. I can't beat at the time. Simply I will frustrate on you. Then when you feel like that, sir is frustrating on me. Why will frustrate you? You are an enemy to me. No, because you are not practicing and you are asking a silly question. After 10 days, this class is over. Definitely, I will frustrate on you because after all, I'm a human being. Okay, I'm not a god to smile always. So try to practice and come to the class. If you are doing silly mistakes after completing this one portion, that is your mistake, man, not my mistake. Okay. Now let's see. Suppose Srikanth is doing some mistake. What is doing mistake? He instead of giving the 4 values, is given only one value. Value like that is given. Tell me what will happen? It will give the error or answer? It will give the error or answer? You are going to DMart, you want to purchase 4 items. How many bags required? How many bags required? 4 bags. Suppose you forgot 4 bags, you taken only 1 bag. Can't you put all the values in the 1 bag? You can put or not put. Then it will not error, it will work. Simple analogy. But it will work, but all the values in the same bag. All the values in the same bag. Value equal to all the values are coming in the same bag. See here, no comma. Here is bracket. All the values are coming in the same value. Simple DMart analysis, ma. How many items you want? How many bags you want? Suppose you forget the bags, nothing, don't worry. All the items in the single bag. But in the future, you can't use this. If I want to use only addition value, how can you retrieve? That is the next question, right? Value is giving, your bag is giving 2 laptops. How can I use 1 laptop? That is the question. That's why we are storing into individual variables. That's why we are storing into individual variables. Individual values you can use. Yeah, all the values are coming into single bag. No error. Understood, ma? DMart analysis. How to print the next line using one statement? I didn't get this. How to print in the next line using one print statement? Anyone get this? Sabita question. If anyone get, help me. Suppose you see here. Tell me, it will give the answer or error? Answer or error? Say loudly. How many say answer? Raise your hands. So this batch is saying answer, that batch is saying error. You automatically divided that batches. It is no error. No error. Yesterday we learned, right? After if I have given print statement directly. If you want to provide the indentation, provide the proper indentation. Don't give the indentation. Okay, it will no error. No error will not come. When error will come? Now error will come. What is the error? Indentation. If you want to provide the indentation, provide the indentation. Okay. Otherwise, we can give directly like this. Now all the statements we can do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is what? Sub. Here is multiplication. And here it is division. It is single lines only. Single line only it is very helpful. Not in the multi lines. Multi lines, obviously, you need to do that. It is a multiplication and it is a subtraction. It is a division. The same value again you can provide this here above one. Same values. Same values like this. Same values. That in a, if you are direct function name, direct return, use like this also. Line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4. But if you provide the indentation, provide the proper indentation. Provide the proper indentation. So this is about return statements. So without arguments, with arguments, default arguments, return statements, and everything included with the try and exception. All the codes till now, everything you need to do this with all the 5 steps. All the 5. With arguments, without arguments, default arguments. How many assignment questions are there? 5 questions, 10 questions, 15 questions, 15 into 5, 75. So 75 answers I required. 75 answers. Everything you need to write one method. Understand? So that assignment I will create. First, let complete if and else. First assignment, how many questions? Second assignment, if and else, how many questions are there? 18 questions are there. 18 plus 15, 33. 33 into 5, 165. 165 codes chahiye. What, sir? You are a babies in Python, no? You are not professional. You are not professional. Okay, you are babies. 165 codes. I will give the deadline. Okay. You are not babies, no, ma. You are not professional, no. How can I leave you? You are not professional. You show me that I am professional, sir. I don't require Python. I will not solve. 5 methods you need to do. Then how can I? My students are competitive outside with 3 years data science people. చేపలు రాకినట్టు రాకూడదంట అలా ఉంటుంది అన్నట్టు అర్థమైందా 165 questions, be ready for that. And tomorrow we will learn local variables, global variables, functions in functions concept, and then we'll close the functions. Saturday recap session and presentation session, and Monday new topic, loops. Okay, we have time of Saturday, Sunday is there, so finish your all the doubts and concepts by Sunday. If you have any doubts, immediately ping me. Okay, make some friends, practice with them in the labs. Okay, ma? So thank you so much. If you write these first 4 lines, code will print, sir. No print statement, na? So it will not print, ma, Hamza. No print statement. Print will print whenever you use only print, P-R-I-N-T. If no print, print will not print. Understood? Yeah. Okay, ma. Thank you so much. 165 questions, be ready. Bye. Oh, which question? Assignment 9. What is assignment 9? Assignment question. Total percentage 52. Total percent literacy is 48. Variable 1, variable 2 of literate men, 35% of population. Yeah. First is 80,000 is total men, ma. Total population is 80,000. Total population is 80,000. In that, men is 52%. So 52% is men.
Okay.
And 48% is female. So 52 of 80,000, how much? You need to calculate that first. 52 of 80,000. Okay. And 48 of 80,000. Then people will come. How many will come? People will come. So 52 of 80, how much? 6141. 41,600 is the men people, ma. 41,600 is the men people. Out of men, 35 is the literal persons. So like that you need to calculate 35% of men is a literate people and remaining are illiterate people. Understood? You need to understand the question, break the question, and our WhatsApp people help you. Don't worry. If you have any doubts, ping me like this. Okay? This is the idea. 80,000 say 52 nikalna, 48 nikalna, and again total number say 35% nikalna. Thank you so much. Tell me, ma. So Saturday.